Our goal at ProFloors is to make your installation service bigger, better, and brighter. We have an online ordering system that is available to you 24/7 from your desktop or any mobile device. Here we are at our ProFloorsUS.com website, and you'll see we have a customer login. If you are on a mobile device such as a phone or tablet, you will not see the words, but you will see the little man icon. Press on this and you will be taken to our ordering portal where you'll need to log in. And once you're inside, you'll be given access to several features. In this case, we are going to do an order and create the order. Here you'll see all of the complex that you happen to manage. If you only have one complex, you'll only see one. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose one, this Deer Valley, and it'll start populating with all the different styles of apartment that we have on hand for this complex. So we're going to go ahead and choose one. And now you can put in the building number, the apartment number, of course we need, and then if you use purchase orders, we would need the purchase order number here. As we scroll down, now we can see all of the areas that we do in these units. And for our carpet, carpet handles all carpeted areas. So just by looking at this, I'm guessing that's bedrooms and living room and hallway. But when you're in here, you need to select at least the carpet and the carpet installation. We hope that you are going to put fresh new pad, but if you choose to, you can go over existing pad and leave off the pad. Next, we have all of the areas that you might have vinyl or plank, and sometimes if they're separated by carpet, they will be as a separate section. So let's say in this case, we only need to do the bath and the kitchen. The entry's fine. So we are going to choose Urban Living is actually the name of your vinyl. And the cool white, here it says right here, is your cove base that goes along the walls. We'll scroll down here and you can see some options that we can add. We'll talk further about some of these later, but let's, for this example, use enzyme pet treatment. We want this to be done preferably maybe on the 2nd because we have a move-in on the 3rd. The reason we like you to put a move-in date, even though it is optional, is just in case an emergency comes up, such as an installer calls in sick or has mechanical issues getting to you. Then we know if we have a cushion of dates in which to service you. You can mark if it's occupied and whether we will need to move the furniture for you. And then in our special instructions, you can put as much detail in as you like in here. It has no limit. So in this case, we're going to put enzyme treatment in bedrooms. And I'll say done. So now we're going to create the order, which is going to give you a draft, and you can go through to make sure you got all of the details correct before you hit the submit button. And once you do that, you will get confirmations. We always have one for carpet and one for your other surface, plank or vinyl. So now let's show you a different example just in case you're needing some kind of like repair. So we're going to go here. We're going to, again, I'm going to use the same one. And we'll use the 1x1 and we'll say it's this apartment here. And now when I go down here, I can see that I have carpet or vinyl kind of and plank repairs or demos. So first, let's talk about carpet. If you select one of these carpet items, you're going to need to go up here and at least select carpet pad installation. This will trigger the system. The customer service team in the office will make any kind of adjustments it needs to, but we do need to have one item, preferably installation, checked off so that it'll trigger the system. If you're doing vinyl or plank repair or demo or patching, again, you're going to want to at least pick the material in that particular area. so that it'll trigger the system. Once you go down here, you're again going to select your date, and now you can say, I think that was the entry that we did, replace entry due to gouging. Now, sometimes when you have something that is in this section of options, we may need to call you to clarify, so this more detailed you can be in the special instructions, the better. Again, we create the order. It's going to give you a draft so you can visualize everything to make sure it's correct before you hit the submit button, and then there's your confirmation. We want to thank you for being a ProFlorist customer, and we hope you have a ProFloristic day.